Hello friends, let's begin with the topic that is characteristics of MIS. So the characteristics of the MIS is that it deals with the multidisciplinary subjects. Basically MIS is related to accounting also, to computer science, to operations research, to organization theory, as well as the behavioral sciences and management theory also. So this it is related to multidisciplinary subjects. MIS can be useful in each and every subject, right? So how it is being related with the functional disciplinaries. So typically how the MIS systems work, here the classification is made through functional disciplines. So basically if you look at, these are three: strategic, tactical and operational, and these are the functional disciplines. Say for example, a production department, finance department, personnel department and marketing department. How the strategic work is carried out in the production department: to take the decision about the new plant location, that is the strategic decision, and that can be that is required for the production department. What is the tactical decision? That the production bottleneck should not occur, the production should not stop, how the bottleneck should not be there. And what is the operational requirement? That is cleared through, that is daily scheduling of the work, daily, how much production to take, daily reporting techniques are being used with the help of the MIS. As far as the finance is concerned, their operational issue is of payroll. A lot of people are working in the employment to generate their payroll and their salary slips, and as far as their accounting is concerned, so that payroll systems are done operationally. Here, second is the variance analysis. So there are different variance analysis, like direct material variance, overhead variance, or even the cost variances are there, lot of. So this variance analysis is the tactical issue. And alternative to financing, for example, taking the decisions of whether we should go for shareholding finance, or we should take the bank loan, or we should go for virtual financing, or VCs, virtual capital funding, all these things, that is strategic issue over here. As far as the personal department is concerned, their operational issues to leave records. Here the HRM is concerned, human resource department, uh, basically to maintain the leave records. That is the operational issue, means maintaining the presentees and absentees of the employees, or to maintaining the leave records. Second, making the performance appraisal of the employees who work really very good throughout the year, and what kind of appraisal should be given to them, and what kind of incentives should be given to them. That is performance appraisal. And as far as the strategic issues is concerned, to provide with the welfare policy, to work to have the good welfare policy as possible for the employees, that can be used over here. As far as the marketing is concerned, the sales analysis is very important. So sales analysis every day. And second, sales analysis means day to day sales. Today what sale happened, this much, what first date, second date, third date till the 31st date. Daily sales reporting analysis is the operational issue. As far as the advertising is concerned, what kind of advertises to make, how it is going to hamper the sales, that is a tactical issue. And making the competition survey, that is a strategic issue. So this is how the typical management information system works through different functional disciplinaries. So my dear friends, this is where we have understood the characteristics and typical MIS systems. In the next slide to come, we will deal with the organization system and MIS. So how it's going to work. In the next slide, we'll be looking towards that.